an important question regarding electric motor. What is the role of a split ring in an electric motor? What is the role of a split ring in an electric motor? So this is your electric motor, and this works on Fleming's left hand rule, and this is your the setup, whole setup. This is positive terminal, and if this is armature A, B, C, D, and this is your split ring. S1 and S2 are two split rings. Your question is, what is the role of a split ring in an electric motor? Well, your answer is the split ring reverses the direction of current in the armature coil after every half rotation. Your short and brief answer is the split ring reverses the direction of current in the armature coil after every half rotation. That is why it is also called a commutator. That is why it is also called a commutator. C-O-M-M-U, commutator. C-O-M-M-U-T-A-T-O-R, commutator. How the current is reversed after half rotation? So, to make this armature move in a or rotate in a fixed direction, you have to reverse the current after every half rotation. That means after half rotation, this AB side will come to here and this CD side will come to here. So after half rotation, this is going to the side CD, and after half rotation, this is going to the side AB. Now your left hand side, you need that current must go from A to B, from top to bottom, from this side to this side, or can be said from this side to this side. This is 1 to 2, 1 to 2, and in right side current must go 3 to 4. Here it is here current is flowing from A to B. After half rotation, your position of B will be here and your position of A will be here. After half rotation, when this armature starts rotating, after half rotation, the position of AB will be here and position of CD will be here. So position of D will be here and position of C will be here. Now you can see that at the starting, the current is flowing from A to B, and after half rotation, we need current must flow from B to A to maintain the rotation in a fixed direction, because in the right side you need current from 3 to 4. Not, it is the Fleming's left hand rule will not understand or not realize current is flowing from A to B or C to D. It only identifies current is moving from 1 to 2. If it is moving from 1 to 2, then it will, if you apply Fleming's left hand rule, it will go downward. This arm will go downward. After half rotation, CD will come to this side and AB will come to this side. And AB, when AB comes to this side, you need that for fixed rotation, current must go from 3 to 4. That means if current goes from side 3 to point 3 to point 4, that means current must go from B to A. So earlier the current was from A to B, and now we need current should pass from B to A. That means and only then the armature will rotate in a fixed direction. Otherwise armature will not rotate in a fixed direction. It will sometimes rotate clockwise, sometimes rotate anti-clockwise. So you will not have a fixed movement or fixed rotation of this armature, which we need it. for a motor. So no, forget about the nomenclature ABCD. From this end, current must grow from A to from point 1 to 2, and from this end, current must go from 3 to 4. For that, after every half rotation, the direction of current in each arm has to be reversed. Initially, it is from A to B. When this AB arm in this side, current must flow from B to A. Initially, current was in this arm, right hand arm. Initially, the current was from C to D. After half rotation, the current must grow from point 1 to point 2 in this direction. So current has to move from D to C. So earlier it was C to D, now it is D to C for the fixed rotation or rotation in a fixed direction. And this very important job was done by this split ring. It reverses after half rotation. This split ring reaches here and this split ring reaches here. S1 occupies the position of S2 and S2 occupies the position of S1, and this split ring helps in reversing the direction of current after every half rotation. So this is the major role and very important role of a split ring in an electric motor. In very short, if the question is asked, you can write the split ring reverse the direction of current in the armature coil after every half rotation, and that is why it is also called a commutator, or it acts as a commutator. Okay, this much only.